Hey there! Welcome to Success Byte. We're so excited to chat with you about money, business, and how to turn your dream lifestyle into a reality. Today, we're diving into 10 awesome ways to make money while you sleep. These aren't gimmicks or scams, they're real, practical ideas that people are using every day to create passive income. You might recognize some of these methods, but stick around. You're likely to find a few game-changing ideas that could really make a difference for you. All right, let's jump in. Number 1, write a digital guide or ebook. You know what? You don't need to be a best-selling author to write a book. In fact, people love picking up books not just for fun, but also to solve problems and learn something new in a snap. If you have even a little more knowledge about a topic than the average person, you can absolutely turn that expertise into a wonderful ebook. So why not share what you know? It could really help someone out there. Some ideas? A guide on budgeting for beginners. A step-by-step plan to improve focus and productivity. A list of 50 side hustle ideas that actually work. The best part? Once it's written, you can sell it forever on platforms like Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or even Etsy. Number 2, start a YouTube channel without showing your face. Not everyone wants to be the next Mr. Beast, and that's totally okay. There are so many YouTube channels out there making great money without ever being on camera. Think about all the awesome options you have. Book summaries. People love quick breakdowns of bestsellers. Motivational videos with epic quotes and speeches. History, science, or finance explainers using stock footage. The possibilities are endless. And the best part, getting started is easy. You just need a script, a voiceover, and some visuals. You can find free stock videos on sites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Storyblocks. And if you're curious about how to kick things off, just search how to start a faceless YouTube channel. There is tons of friendly advice out there waiting for you. Number 3, create and sell an online course. Have you ever found yourself Googling how to bake a cake, how to invest, or how to manage my time better? You're not alone. Millions of people do this daily, and many are eager to pay for a well-organized course that teaches them what they need to know quickly. If you have a skill that others are looking for, why not turn it into an online course? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare make it simple to share your knowledge. The best part? You don't have to be a total expert. Just being a step ahead of someone else is enough. Ready to dive in? Search for how to create an online course on YouTube, or check out Teachable's blog for some handy guides. Number 4, high-ticket affiliate marketing. Let's forget about selling those cheap phone cases that give you a tiny commission. The real money is in high-ticket affiliate marketing. This is where you get to promote awesome premium products, like software, coaching programs, or business tools that pay you anywhere from $200 to over $1,000 for each sale. Here are some high-ticket programs you might want to check out. Online course platforms like Teachable, premium finance, and investment tools. Want to learn more? Just search for how to start high-ticket affiliate marketing. You might just find yourself in a gold mine. Number 5, real estate crowdfunding. Real estate investing sounds great, right? But then you realize you need a ton of money to buy property. Enter real estate crowdfunding. With just $100 to $500, you can invest in rental properties, commercial buildings, and real estate projects without the hassle of dealing with tenants or maintenance. Interested? Check out blogs like Bigger Pockets or search for how to invest in real estate crowdfunding to learn more. Number 6, sell digital templates. Who doesn't love a good shortcut? If you can whip up ready-to-use templates that save people time, they'll happily pay for them. What types of templates could you create?
Resume and cover letters.
Digital planner, weekly and daily planner.
Editable ebook template.
You can sell your digital templates on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and Canva. Once you upload them, they can keep selling over and over again. Want to see what catches people's eyes? Search for best-selling templates on Etsy and get inspired. Number 7. Stock photography, videos, or music. If you're great at taking photos, shooting videos, or making music, why not share your talent and get paid for it? Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5 let you upload your creations once and earn each time someone downloads them. That's some sweet passive income. Not sure what's popular right now? Search for best-selling stock photos and videos to find out what's trending. Number 8. Print on demand. T-shirts, mugs, and more. Want to sell t-shirts but don't want to deal with inventory? Print on demand to the rescue. You create awesome designs, upload them to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Amazon Merch, and they take care of printing, shipping, and payments. Check out YouTube tutorials on how to start a print-on-demand store. It's a fun and straightforward way to earn some passive income. Number 9. Start a paid newsletter. If you enjoy writing engaging emails, why not turn that into some income? Platforms like Substack and Medium allow you to build a loyal following and charge for premium content, whether it's investment insights, business tips, or productivity hacks. Need proof that it works? Just look up top-earning newsletters on Substack. You will see that some folks are making 6 figures a year doing this. Number 10. License your digital creations. Do you create fonts, illustrations, beats, or sound effects? You can license them and earn royalties. Upload your work to sites like Creative Market, Envato Elements, or Audio Jungle, and every download can mean money in your pocket. Curious how it works? Check out How to License Digital Products for a complete guide. So there you have it, 10 amazing ways to make money while you sleep. Remember, you don't have to try all of them at once. Just take a moment, breathe, and pick one that really speaks to you. Spend some time on it and get really good at it. Passive income isn't about doing everything. It's about focusing on the right thing consistently until it pays off. So which one are you excited to try first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your plans. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you next time.